In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Trello for recruitment and hiring, step by step. If you're managing candidates through emails, spreadsheets, or scattered notes, this method will completely streamline your hiring process and help you visualize every stage of your recruitment pipeline in one place. Trello is simple, flexible, and perfect for HR teams, startups, and hiring managers. Make sure to watch until the end so you can set this up properly. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then navigate to the Templates section. You can do this by clicking on Templates from the main menu or by going directly to Trello.com/templates. This is where Trello provides ready-made boards for different use cases, including marketing, project management, and most importantly for us, HR and operations. Once you're on the Templates page, look for the category called HR and Operations. Click on that category to filter templates specifically designed for human resources workflows. This is where you'll find recruiting pipelines, onboarding boards, and other hiring-related templates that save you from building everything from scratch. Now, browse through the available templates and choose one that works best for your recruitment process. A popular and highly effective option is the Recruiting Pipeline template. Click on the template to preview it. Here you'll see how the board is structured, typically with lists such as applicants, phone screen, interview stage, offer, and hired. This structure helps you visually track where each candidate is in your hiring funnel. When you're ready to use it, click on the Use Template button. Trello will now prompt you to create your own copy of this board. Next, you'll need to type a title or board name. Choose something clear and specific, such as Marketing Manager Hiring Q1 2026 or Software Developer Recruitment Pipeline. Naming your board properly is especially important if you're hiring for multiple roles at the same time. After that, assign the board to the appropriate workspace. If you're part of multiple teams inside Trello, make sure you select the correct workspace where your HR team or hiring managers have access. This ensures the right people can collaborate, leave comments, and move candidates through the pipeline. Once everything looks good, click on Create. Trello will now generate your recruitment board based on the template. Now comes the most important part, customizing your board to match your actual hiring workflow. You can rename lists to reflect your real recruitment stages. For example, you might change interview to technical interview, or add new lists like assessment task, background check, or final approval. Each candidate should be added as a card. Click Add a Card under the applicants list and enter the candidate's name as the card title. Inside each card, you can add detailed information, such as contact details, resume attachments, interview notes, salary expectations, and feedback from team members. You can also use labels to categorize candidates. For example, create labels for departments, priority level, or application source like LinkedIn, referral, or careers page. This makes filtering and sorting much easier later. Another powerful feature is due dates. Assign due dates to interview stages or follow-ups so nothing falls through the cracks. You can even assign team members to specific candidate cards so everyone knows who is responsible for the next step. As candidates progress, simply drag and drop their cards from one list to the next. This visual movement makes it incredibly easy to track progress and identify bottlenecks in your hiring process. Over time, you can further customize the board by adding automation using Trello's built-in butler feature. For example, you can automatically move a card to the next stage when a checklist is completed, or notify a team member when a candidate reaches the interview stage. And that's it. You've now set up a complete recruitment and hiring system using Trello templates. This method keeps your hiring organized, transparent, and collaborative without needing expensive HR software. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.